Hello everyone, I am Sarwar Islam Jony. My student ID is 22170446 and currently I am pursuing my undergraduate from Department of Urban and Regional Planning under Khulna University of Engineering and Technology, Khulna, Bangladesh. And today I am going to discuss about the projection system in GIS, and this is the class number 6, and this will be covered under course name GIS and Remote Sensing Studio, and the course number is URP 3182. And today's discussed topic are here. The topics are how to create the custom geographic transformation, then copy paste of the coordinate system, then how can we copy paste our custom transformations, and then I will discuss about the on the fly method, then I will discuss about project, then I will discuss about the defined project. Okay, and let's start with the ArcGIS. Here this is the ArcGIS interface, and now I'm just going to import a data from, let's see, here, this from this data, and here, and let's see, okay, and here Sundarban, and if I get it from here, yes, let's open this one. It says the spatial reference is unknown. That means there is no coordinate system assigned here. Okay, and this is the data, but at first if I show you with another things like then 5 and 6, coordinate system, custom transformation, I don't need this, and here these are the three datas. Okay, just talk about like let's that here. At first, how can I create a custom transformation? So before having the custom transformation, I have to copy paste the second things that here, the copy paste of the coordinate system, because the BTM and BUTM and others coordinate system are not available in my system, and that's why how can I copy paste it? If I want to copy paste in my ArcGIS interface, it is not possible from here. I have to copy paste it from the, let's see, the here. At first, here is my the coordinate systems are available here, and I'm just selecting all by dragging and drop and copy theirs, and all this file I can available it's from here. Let's see, here this will be the C, and I'll make sure that the your file visibility is hidden item is check marked, because this will be in the program data. Okay, and if this is not check marked, this folder will not available in your PC, and so make sure that your the hidden folder are available in your PC. And then let's see, I am just going to let's see the program data, then I will find ISRI. Okay, because this is the ISRI data, right? Program file ArcGIS, yes, it's my ArcGIS, but let's see how can I define it. Okay, at first I have to go the user, okay, not program data, then C drive, here user, then I have to what is your name, but here is my name is showing the Sarwa, and I'm just clicking to Sarwa, and then I am just app data. I'm just opening app data, and app data will be available when your this view, then show and hidden items is check marked. Let's see, if I uncheck this, there is no app data available here, and I am just again going to see and check mark this one, and then Just check mark this one. What happened? It's empty. Why? I mean, yes. Just refresh, and then you will get the app data. And now app data open, then you will get a three folder: local law, and roaming. You have to open roaming. Okay. Then here is the EASD. You have to search EASD. This is the EASD because the ArcGIS is from the EASD software, right? And that's why I am, and in my PC there is two software is installed here. One is ArcGIS Pro and one is ArcGIS Desktop 10.8, and now I am working in the ArcGIS Desktop 10.8, and that's why I am using here. And after coming here, you have to open the Arc toolbox, and there is a toolbox, and I don't want to get here ArcMap, then coordinate systems, and there is only here two coordinate systems available here, but I need more coordinate system, right? Because here is only available that the WGS 1984 UTM zone, let's say 45N, and WGS 1984, and this all copied for things I have to paste at here. And what was the directory? The directory was this PC, then local drive, C drive, then user, then what is your PC name, as my preferred this is name server. Then I have to go the app data. Before getting the app data, I have to check the hidden software or hidden folder. Then I have to go roaming, then EASD, then desktop 10.8, then ArcMap, then coordinate system, and I'm just pasting it here. And if there is any files available here, you have to just replace this, and these all coordinates are available here. Now BTM and BUTM is available in my here. Okay, if I show you, just let's see, having the coordinate system properties, and as there is no defined coordinate system here. Okay, now what can I do? I can define the projection coordinate system. Okay, and this will be covered here. This is the define project. Okay, and for defining the project, let's see, I'm working on it. As the Sundarban has no data available here, or no projected data available here, and I'm just clicking at the search, and just I am having the define project. Okay, I'm just clicking here, and there is only two. I will go for the data management. I can click here, and this is available at the toolbox, then the system toolbox, then data management tools, then this is under projection and transformation, and here the define projection. Okay, to define the projection, I have to just select the Sundarban. Yes, I am selecting this, and it's been selected, and it says there is no coordinate system. I'm just clicking here, and all the favorites are available here as I have pasted it here. When I will paste it here, all the data will be comes under the favorite, right? And now I will just let's say click for the BTM. Okay, and that will be assigned as BTM, and just I am clicking OK, and it's being assigned. Now if I just show you the properties, I'm just double clicking here, and it's taking time to make sure the properties. Here is the properties, and there is the BTM. BTM means Bangladesh Transverse Market Route, and the projection is transverse market route, and easting false easting is 5 lakhs meter, and false northing is minus 20 lakhs, and the central meridian at 19, and the scale factor is 0.996. Okay, and the geographic coordinate system is GCS Everest Bangladesh, right? Okay, now if I want to, let's say, get the create transformation. Okay, now I will work with the create coordinate transformation. Okay, and now if I want to create a coordinate transformation, I can just write here that the create custom create custom after searching here, and this is the file. If I just increase this one, geographic transformation, and that is the data management, I can click here, and then this is the create custom uh, geographic transformation, right? And let's see, this is the create custom, and I can click here. Let's see the BTM2, okay, UTM 45. Okay, there is not much difference, and as I creating it me, and I am just clicking my name for this custom things. Okay, and input coordinate system is BTM. I am clicking here BTM, and it's automatically take all the data available here. And output coordinate system, I'm just clicking, let's see, average Bangladesh, not, I'm just clicking this. Okay, WGS 1984, and all are available here. And now Melanetsky, and now I have to define the translation. Okay, how much translation, and this is data available here. This transformation data X is available here. I'm just copying all data and paste in X. Here is the X. I'm just pasting it. Now I am going for Y, copy, and if I just paste it here, then Z, and this is the Z data, and this values is provided by my professor, and that's why I'm just opening it and clicking here. Okay, and now I am just click OK. After clicking OK, there is being a sorry, custom coordinates transformation has been created. If I show you, it's the my folder. Here is the ArcGIS and ArcMap. Then I'm just going to here, Arc Toolbox, then custom create, and here this is my file has been created, and the file format is GTF. Okay, as this file I have created, and it's automatically select here. As I show you, the name is that the UTM to BTM to UTM 45, and this is created by Jony. Okay, and then now this is way to create the custom transformation. Okay, now I want to get more custom transformation, which is created by my professor, and this provided data is available here. And now I am just going to this folder where is my data available. Let's see here, and here this custom things has been created by my professor. I'm just clicking copy, then copy it, and I'm just clicking here. And where is it is all about the same things as I have mentioned before. At the desktop 10.8 was same. Let's see easily, then desktop 10.8, then I have to just go to Arc Toolbox, then I have to create the custom transformation. As I just create this one, and my professor has been created this all data are available here, and I am just paste it here. Okay, and this being automatically added at my let's see, at my ArcGIS. Okay, now I want to show you how can we change these things. Okay, for doing this I have to add the query data. To show you, I have to just take a data frame for this, and I'm just removing this layer. Okay, and there is unknown. Okay, and now I'm just talking about, let's see, the here, and if I take time, let's see, let's say I'm getting data from here. Okay. Sorry, our catalog, then auto hide. Okay, and now if I add data, just going to add data, add data 2, then propose extended area, common data, then here the shape 1 and quad boundary, and add OK. Then if I add another data, this is the raster data, and this is available here, the raster, and add. Okay, and I am just clicking hollow for it and changing the color. Let's see this and this. Okay, as I show, this is covered here. Okay, and there is no significant changes in the available data. As if I show you the properties, then this is the BTM. Okay, and if I show you these things, properties, and maybe yes, this is also BTM, right? And but most of the time these things is get differ from the Google My Map or Google Map. Okay, if I show you that, let's see, just I am just clicking for the base map. It may take a while, and yes, it takes, and it shows that the geographic coordinates warning, because I am working with the BTM and the Google Maps is work with the, let's see, the UTM, right? And I am just clicking OK. When I have just click OK and I am uncheck this one, okay, let's see, my map has been changed, right? Because the quit map has been started from here, but this has been started from here. That means it's being changed. And how much changed? This change is the in x-axis this value, y-axis this value, and z-axis this value. Okay, this being changed. Why it's being changed? Because the base map is on, let's see if I show you the properties, it is on UTM. Okay, but maybe it's not, it's universally taken, this is the UTM zone, but these are available at the BTM. Okay, now if I want to change the quad boundary, okay, and what I have to define, I have to define as on the fly. Okay, for on the fly, how can I get this? Sorry, for on the fly, I'm just taking a insert data frame, and I am just defining this data frame as UTM. Okay, UTM 45N. Okay, now this data frame is properties, this is the BTM. Okay, and this is the BTM, and authority is custom, but this is the UTM, right? If I show you the properties, add, and this is the UTM. Okay, and sometime UTM may be not working, UTM zone 45, because this is the defined for only Bangladesh. I will just check it for this. Okay, and clicking apply. Now this is being the WGS 1984, and clicking OK. Now this data is WGS 1984, but this data frame is working with the BTM. If I just copy and post here, and this warning will show here. Now I'll just click the transformation, and this is the convert from Everest Bangladesh, as the BTM is working with the Everest Bangladesh, and it is clicking OK. Then I have to just into WGS 1984, right? And here it says the changes, as I have already copy paste this one data, that's why this is available to me, because this BTM to WGS, I'm just clicking it, and how much the difference is, the differences is available here at this data. Okay, and now I'm just clicking OK, and then close. Okay, now this data has been almost similar with the UTM, or if I just copy paste the base map here, yes, let's see, this being changed, right? And this is working with the same data and UTM, and this is the UTM and this is BTM. In this region or in this situation, we can work with the on the fly method, right? Now I'm just going to show you how can we work with the project. Okay, this is the on the fly method, and in this on the fly method, the core or the shape file has no change as the core file or raw data, but this projection has been changed only in layer, as I have already discussed about the differences between the shape file and the layer. Okay, and layer data has been changed, but shape file haven't changed. Okay, now I want to get a separate shape file for having the data with the raw data as UTM. For doing this, I'm just selecting here and clicking project. Okay, I'm just enter, and there is a projection tool, data management tool, and I'm just clicking here. This is the project. I'm double clicking here, and it's saying what I am working weight boundary. Then where this is the input is BTM, because these things have not changed the BTM, as I have changed the layer as the UTM, but my raw data is in BTM. That's why it's showing here BTM, right? And where I want to shape it, here this is showing me the default database, right? But I want to change this one. Where I want to change this one, because to get this easily, right? Here is the URP, and then I am working with the these files, and here maybe no class data, right? I'm just getting back, and GIS and RS, right? Okay, I'm just connecting this one again, connecting, or as I have already connected this. Let's see, this, then URP data, and then 3.1, then lab US GIS, and it as this is work as my classwork, and that will be easy to get my things, right? And I'm just clicking it here, the weight, let's see, weight boundary, view, then UTM, as it is working for UTM, right? I'm clicking OK, and this has been the directory changed, right? Now I want to get the core data, and I want to get the UTM 45 zone, right? I'm clicking OK, then OK, and it's being changed. Okay, but my file have not come here. Why it's have not come? Because I have export this data. This has been saved in my directory. Now I have to go at this directory to get that data. Okay, now I am just going to this directory. For going this directory, I'm just clicking here, classwork, and this is the weight boundary BTM, and I'm just selecting here. Okay, add data, and yes, this has been counted. Okay, if I just follow, okay, let's see is being equal or not. Yes, as you see, that's the black data, and it is at the same position, right? Yes, that means my work has been complete. And that was all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.